Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Cuku and today we are diving into the vibrant and flavorful world of green puri. These emerald green fried breads are not only visually appealing but also delicious. Let's add a touch of green to our snacks. In a blender, add Mexican mint, also known as doddapatre, coriander, chilies, ginger, garlic, cumin and salt. Add little water and blend them into a smooth and vibrant green paste. In a mixing bowl, combine the whole wheat flour, add the green paste and knead the dough. Use water sparklingly as the green paste already has some moisture. You want a firm, smooth dough. Let the dough rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. After resting, roll out a small portion of dough into small puri. You can give it any shape you like. You can do this on a slightly flat surface. Now heat oil for deep frying in a pan over medium-high heat. Carefully slide the puri into the hot oil and fry until it puffs up and turns golden brown. Remember to flip it to ensure even cooking. Your vibrant and crispy green puris are ready to serve. These makes for an fantastic snacks and they are also an excellent way to add some green goodness to your meal. Pair them with your favorite chutney or pickle. I hope you enjoy making these eye-catching green puris. Happy cooking and enjoy your green puris.